Before we dive into the world of cryptocurrency investment, it's crucial to note that this video is intended purely for informational purposes. It does not constitute financial advice and should not be perceived as such. Always conduct your own independent research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, and there's a possibility that you could lose all your money. So be sure to thoroughly understand the risks involved and invest wisely. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the fascinating universe of cryptocurrency investment. Enjoy the video. Are you new to cryptocurrency investment and seeking some guidance? Cryptocurrency, for the uninitiated, is a type of digital or virtual currency. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate independently of a central bank, using encryption techniques to regulate the creation of new units and verify transactions. In recent years, investing in cryptocurrencies has become increasingly popular. This surge in interest is due in part to the potential for high returns. But it's not all smooth sailing. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, with the value of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum experiencing dramatic fluctuations. Yet, despite the risks, the allure of cryptocurrency investment remains strong. It's a brave new world of finance, one that offers opportunities for those willing to navigate its uncertainties. It's a journey that requires patience, diligence, and willingness to learn. So, are you ready to explore this digital frontier? Let's embark on a journey of understanding the ins and outs cryptocurrency investment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. The first and foremost tip is to exercise patience. In the world of cryptocurrency investment, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. The market is a whirlwind of ups and downs. One day you're on top of the world, the next you might feel like you've hit rock bottom. But here's the thing, it's all part of the process. Cryptocurrency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's an investment, and like all investments, it requires time. Time for trends to develop, time for value to increase. You might not see immediate returns, and that's okay. In fact, it's more than okay, it's normal. So don't let the fluctuations deter you, don't let a slow start discourage you. Patience is your ally in this journey. With it, you'll be able to weather the storm, ride the waves, and ultimately reap the benefits of your investment. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency investment. Second tip, never accept advice without verifying it. This is crucial in the world of cryptocurrency investments. The digital landscape can be a tricky place, riddled with misinformation and scams. Just as you wouldn't blindly follow a stranger's directions, don't blindly follow investment advice. When you come across a potential investment opportunity, step back, take a deep breath, and do your own research. Look into the currency's background, its market performance, and future potential. Read widely from trusted sources to gain a balanced view. And remember, if something seems too good to be true, it usually is. In the digital world, scams can be cleverly disguised as lucrative opportunities. Don't fall for it. Instead, rely on your own research, your verified facts, and your informed judgment. Investing in cryptocurrencies isn't a game of chance, it's a game of strategy, and the backbone of that strategy is verified information. Always verify before you trust. Third tip, only invest money that you can afford to lose. In the world of cryptocurrency, the lure of high returns can be intoxicating. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. Cryptocurrency is a volatile market, and the value of your investment can swing wildly from one moment to the next. It's essential to approach this financial landscape with caution. One should only put in what they are ready to part with. Think of it like a gamble. You wouldn't bet your home on the roll of a dice, would you? The same principle applies here. It's also important to understand that investing more than you can afford to lose can lead to financial stress and can influence your decision-making, often leading to hasty decisions that you might regret later. So, keep a level head and stick to your budget. Remember, only risk what you are willing to lose. Fourth tip, always stay informed using trusted sources. Cryptocurrency, like any investment, isn't a game of chance. It's a game of knowledge and understanding. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. When it comes to staying informed, there's an ocean of information out there. But remember, not all vessels are seaworthy. Trusted sources are your compass in this vast ocean. Websites like CoinDesk, CryptoSlate, and Cointelegraph offer up-to-date news and analysis. Podcasts such as Unchained and The Daily Decrypt help you understand complex concepts in a conversational manner. They're like your guides, helping you navigate through the twists and turns of the crypto world. And don't forget about the importance of community forums like Reddit and Bitcoin Talk. Here you can engage with others, share insights, ask questions, and learn from experienced investors. But remember, even the most trusted source can't replace your own judgment. Knowledge is power in the realm of cryptocurrency investment. Fifth tip, don't let greed guide your decisions. Now, we've all heard the old saying, greed is good. But when it comes to cryptocurrency investment, it's a mantra that could land you in hot water. You see, the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies can lead to dramatic changes in value, with potential for both incredible gains and crushing losses. This appeals to the greedy, those who see the chance for quick wealth and dive in head first without a second thought. But let me tell you, being driven by greed can cloud your judgment, often leading to rash decisions that can wipe out your investment in a blink. Instead, set realistic expectations. Know your limits, determine an exit strategy, and stick to it. When your investment hits your predetermined target, don't hesitate to cash out. Remember, it's about steady growth, not overnight riches. Greed is not good when it comes to cryptocurrency investment. Last but not least, let's explore some safe cryptocurrency investments for 2024. In the volatile world of digital currencies, a few stalwarts have proven their stability over time, the first being Bitcoin. Despite its ups and downs, it remains the market leader, setting the pace for the rest of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Next, we have Ethereum. Its blockchain technology, which supports smart contracts, has made it a mainstay in the world of digital finance. Then there's Binance Coin, the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, known for its consistent performance and wide acceptance. Litecoin, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offers faster transaction times and a larger maximum coin supply, making it an attractive option for many. Finally, Cardano, with its robust, research-driven approach, is making strides in sustainability, scalability, and security. Invest wisely and remember, safety first.